This is a bird battle fighting over some food, even though they're eating the squirrel. Yeah, that picture that I took of that squirrel. But let's just watch it. See what they go do.
Eating it together.
They got mad.
That bird that's eating it, he just moved them two away.
Yep. Just like that. I don't know what they came for, but they ain't getting no food. Look at this bird over here looking lonely. Dang, it's holding it down. It's not playing.
Don't get super close, baby.
I ain't getting close. I'm standing right here in the shade. Oh, look. He gonna try to get that food. Oh, shoot. What'd I tell you?
He just moved.
Don't eat his food, boy. Look at this. This dude gonna try to eat his food.
That man just moved out the way after he just...
Look at this, he behind him. Look, the other one coming too. Dang. Look at that. Oh, he was eating a mess out of that squirrel. It's like he poking out the eye. Okay.
You hear that wind when it
I know, hey. Zoom. But like, okay.
Don't let them take your food, big boss.
There's two birds right there. What they scared of him for?
Go attack his ass.
Hit a Big Daddy. Yeah, boy, I'm Big Daddy King. Don't mess with me, boy. That's my food. But can we have some? No, boy. Stop talking to me, I'm good.
You might as well just sit on curve.
I know.
Come on. No, over
Oh, yeah.
here, boy.
Free.
Shit, they couldn't go down.
I know, that's what I was doing. These birds not playing.
Squirrel.
They messed that squirrel up.
The ultimate battle.
Squirrels versus birds. And the birds have won. Oh, dang. I know you heard that. He said, I know y'all hungry. Weekly birds. Oh, there you go. He tried to. Oh, never mind. I thought he was going to eat his food. Trying to eat that boy food. Got my food, boy.
No, you can't. How about what if all of them just fight for their food?
I know. That'd be so funny.
That'd be so lit. Make your move, homeboy. Both of y'all.
They scary, bro. I know y'all see these birds. Oh, he gone. No lie.
Not run over my birds.
They was finna get hit. So, who gonna get the chicken? You know, it ain't chicken, but it still got meat.
Shit, you gonna go get it. Look, that one coming. Look.
That thing coming.
Okay.
Oh, snap. This one coming too.
Free fresh meat for me. Shit, he just put some fresh big ass bird.
Boy got his own food now. Oh, never mind. He coming. Look at this. Get away from my food.
Oh, you see that glide?
Yeah.
Go get him, big man.
Why you scared? Call me. Get your food, boy. I see. Y'all some scary suckers. Y'all but down here.
He said, I'm keeping my food.
Y'all some scary birds. Where'd he go? Oh, there you go.